Welcome to the MorWEB team. We're very happy to have you, and we're looking forward to showing you all of the great features that await you. Since we launched MorWEB in 2004, we are proud to be the industry leader with system stability. Our servers are hosted at Q9 Networks, Canada's #1 facility. MorWEB also does not time out, so you will have no more frustration caused by losing data if you get busy talking to a client. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority, and you will notice the difference when dealing with Marlborough Sterling. We are very proud to have been nominated for Best Industry Service Provider in the CMP Canadian Mortgage Awards. The sales and training team will do everything we can to ensure you're up and running as smoothly and seamlessly as possible. The customer care team is available Monday to Friday between 7 and 9 Eastern Time and 10 to 6 on the weekends. We guarantee that your call will be answered live almost every time, and should you happen to get voicemail, your call will be returned within 15 minutes. There are a number of different ways you can be assisted. We have live chat, training videos, and remote assistance available, as well as webcast and in-person support. One of the first things you'll notice is how MorWEB helps you to stay organized. The work queue will become your daily task list, which itemizes everything you need to work on today. Think of it as your to-do list. Some tasks are automatically triggered at the right times, such as submit to lender, review lender response, and deal closing in 10 days. Some tasks are added by you and given your own preferred due dates, such as contact client, satisfy conditions, or offer life insurance. Tasks only show up on the due date. You decide which day you'd like the reminder to contact your client or to ensure the file is complete. You can even reassign tasks to someone else on your team, an administrator or another agent helping out while you're on vacation. Your work queue makes it easy to keep tabs on each stage of every application. MorWEB is the only client-based mortgage origination system available in Canada. What does a client-based system mean for you? It means saving time, it means up-to-date and accurate information, and it means you work smarter when it comes to staying in touch with your clients. When you create a new application for a repeat client, the old way meant making a copy of a past deal and erasing all of the data that needs to be updated or moved. You will never waste time like that again. When you use MorWEB to work with past clients, only the pertinent information is pre-populated into the new application. That means previous credit bureaus, employment history, assets. MorWEB is smart enough to leave the subject property and loan details blank. But the efficiencies don't end there. If Mrs. Busman changed jobs, you don't have to erase the employment fields and rekey the details in a previous section. You simply click here and enter the date she left. Click Add, and MorWEB allows you to enter the new employment information. If you search for a client in the database, you'll be able to see every deal she's ever done with you in the past, but there's only one Mrs. Busman in the database. If you're sending out holiday cards or promotional material, your client list will only have Mrs. Busman appear once, even though she may have done 3 deals with you in the past. When you have multiple clients on an application, it's so simple to change the order of your applicants around. With the click of this one button, you can move someone to the main applicant or guarantor and back again. If you delete one customer from this deal, all of his data goes with him: employment, assets, liabilities, and a copy of his bureau. But he is not deleted from the database, only removed from this deal. This means you can still include him in mailouts or campaigns, or if the deal changes again and you need to bring the co-applicant back, just like that, you have him back along with all of his details. Using document management, you can store support documents as easily as adding an attachment to an email. It's free and controlled by you, so you have instant access to all of your clients' files wherever you may be. ScoreMaker can be a real game changer. It's only available through MorWEB, and it allows you to help your clients with a step-by-step plan to increase their credit scores in a very short period of time. You can work with their numbers and print off a report for them to take with them. Visit www.scoremaker.com for more details on this revolutionary tool. These are just some of the advantages of using MorWEB. Let's get you started learning the basics so you can start saving time and making more money.